superstars? It's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. So today I'm going to show you how I refresh my 3-day-old wash and go. I did this wash and go 3 days ago using my Carefree Curl juice. So today I'm just going to show you how to refresh it. If you are interested in that, go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and go ahead and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Alright, so let's get right on into this. My hair has been up all night, and basically how I tie it up, I do it in like pineapples. I got 5 little pineapples all over, and I tie it up with scrunchies. You can see kind of how I tie it up in one of my old videos, the flexi rod set. I show how I tie it up and how I maintain my flexi rods for 5 days. But today we're gonna do this with this wash and go. So as you see, it's all in pineapples, all up, back. I've been asleep all night. Go ahead and take these pineapples down, and basically once I take one down, I just give it a little shake, pull it apart. As you see, the curls are still juicy, they popping. So go ahead and watch that video of how I got my hair popping like this. And then I'm gonna take down the back. Scrunchies don't want to cooperate today for some odd reason. Probably because I'm rushing, because I got to go to work and I'm late, but I want to do this. All right, give it a little shake and just pull it out. So we're gonna take them all down like just like that. Give it a little shake again. It'll fall out. Like I said, this is 3 days of wash and go. I'm gonna stretch this out probably this 5, 6, maybe even 7. If it still look good, why do it over? Take out this last little scrunchie. Okay, basically, after I do this, I actually found a little gem. Well, I didn't find the gem. It came in one of my little curl box subscription. It is this Design Essentials Natural Hair Almond and Avocado Oil Refresher. Can you see that? I'm digging this right here. So I just go ahead and spray it on the curls. It gives it like, without putting water in your hair, it sprays like a little whatever concoction to juice your curls back up. So I'm really digging it. Put it on that back. I like to wear this behind my ear and bring my little ringlet forward like that. Just like that, see? Easy as peasy as 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little control paste on my little side. Right up in here where I like it. And then I just take my little comb and do my little edges like such. And that is it. See how easy that was? All right, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button once again. Hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. And give me a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Some past videos, future videos. I hope to see you then. Love you guys. Bye.